way down. Make sure you are on the mat, you're not off the mat. Now you will anchor the toes. Keep the feet together. Bring your palms in line with your chest. Your elbows are stick to the rib cages. Your shoulders are back, not here. I look like that. Now look down at your mat. You press the palms down into the ground and you inhale to rise up. Look forward for a low cobra, baby low cobra. Shoulders are rolling back and down. Stay 3 only. 2 and 1. Inhale, hips up. Come back to table. Adjust the table. Hands are coming under the shoulders. Knees are under the hips. Stack the toes. Inhale. Exhale, downward facing dog again. Look behind you. Look at your belly button. Your hips are pushing back and up. Yes, you're looking behind you. Lengthen the back. Very good. Say no with the head to make sure your neck is soft. Take 5. 4. Beautiful music. Thank you. Thank you for this beautiful breeze as well. 3, 2 and 1. Walk your feet closer to each other, and in very small steps you're gonna walk towards the top of your mat. Small steps. Walk, walk, walk. Come on the fingertips. Walk. Keep walking. Once you reach the top of the mat, big toes touching each other, release the hands. Bring the hands on the shin bone. Rest gently there and inhale to look up for a flat back. Yes. Now you exhale, micro bend the knee, belly to thigh, drop the head down. Press the feet down, keep gazing down at your toes and inhale to rise up. Keep gazing down, roll yourself up. Roll yourself up, keep gazing down. The head is the last one to come up. Gaze down. Now you might look up and shake yourself a little bit. That's it. We're gonna have a lot of fun together. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.